Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that's been making waves, the Redchef non-stick ceramic frying pan set. This isn't just another set of pans, it's a promise of healthier, easier, and more versatile cooking. Let's break down what makes these pans stand out. First up, the core of any good frying pan is its non-stick surface. Redchef boasts a triple-layer ceramic coating, and they emphasize it's not just durable but also entirely safe. This means you can significantly cut down on oil and butter, making your meals healthier without sacrificing flavor or ease of cooking. We've all had those frustrating moments where food sticks and ruins a dish, but this ceramic coating aims to eliminate that entirely. Beyond the non-stick aspect, Redchef highlights rapid and even heat distribution. This is achieved through their precision-engineered forged aluminum base. What this translates to in your kitchen is an end to those dreaded hot spots. You know, those areas where your food burns while other parts remain undercooked. The consistent thickness across the entire pan ensures your food cooks swiftly and uniformly, leading to better results, especially when you're trying to achieve that perfect sear or a delicate sauté. Now, let's talk about the handle. A comfortable and secure grip is crucial, especially when maneuvering a hot pan. Redchef has opted for a cool, sturdy, and ergonomically designed stainless steel handle. It's double-riveted, which is a good sign for durability, promising a strong connection that won't loosen over time. The fact that this handle is also oven-safe, alongside the pan itself, opens up a whole new world of cooking possibilities. We'll get to just how oven-safe they are in a moment. Cleaning is often a deal-breaker for many cookware sets. Redchef claims these pans are incredibly easy to clean. A simple wipe down with water is often sufficient, and for those who prefer it, they are dishwasher safe. However, they do recommend hand washing to maximize the lifespan of the ceramic coating, which is a common piece of advice for maintaining non-stick surfaces. One of the most impressive features is the pan's compatibility. They are designed to work on induction, gas, and electric stovetops, making them a versatile choice for any kitchen setup. But the real standout here is the oven-safe temperature. These pans can withstand a staggering 842 degrees Fahrenheit. That's significantly higher than most standard cookware, meaning you can confidently move from stovetop to oven for searing, baking, or finishing dishes without any worry about the pans degrading. This level of heat tolerance is truly professional grade. Redchef emphasizes that these pans are ideal for all kinds of cooking. From delicate sunny-side-up eggs that slide right off, to sautéing vegetables, flipping perfect pancakes and omelets, and even searing steaks and grilling burgers, this set is designed to handle it all. The non-stick surface and even heating should make even your most ambitious culinary projects a breeze. So, let's summarize the pros. The ceramic non-stick coating is healthy and performs exceptionally well, requiring minimal oil. The even heat distribution is a significant plus for consistent cooking. The stainless steel handle is comfortable, secure, and contributes to the pan's overall durability. The ease of cleaning, with the option of dishwasher use, is a time saver. And the incredible oven-safe temperature and broad stovetop compatibility make these pans truly versatile. Now for the cons, or rather, considerations. While they are dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended for longevity, which adds a small step to the cleanup process if you want to preserve the coating. The non-toxic claim is excellent, but it's always good practice to follow manufacturer guidelines for any cookware to ensure optimal performance and safety. The initial investment for a set of 3 pans might be higher than some basic alternatives, but the quality and features seem to justify it. In conclusion, the Redchef non-stick ceramic frying pan set appears to be a strong contender for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchenware. They offer a compelling combination of health-conscious cooking, culinary versatility, and impressive durability, all wrapped up in a sleek design. If you're in the market for reliable, high-performance frying pans that can handle a wide range of cooking tasks and temperatures, these are definitely worth considering. Link in the description.